Hey guys, Gary back with another review for you today. Today I'm going to do a review on basically an unboxing on the Spark Nano 7 4G Micro GPS tracker. Guys, I've been needing a tracker for the type of work that I do. Um, so I ordered this one just to see how it would work out. It looks like it's a pretty sturdy package. Let's open it up here, see what's inside here. I just wanted to go through and show you guys what's actually in the box. That's the Activate Now pamphlet, because you have to have 4G service with it. I'm not quite sure how much that is, but I'll find out shortly here. Here's your user's guide for your instructions there. And here is the unit itself. Okay, let me get it out here and unwrap it here and let you guys see it. Okay, looks like it's packed pretty nicely. It's blue on the outside, black on, well, blue on this side. Looks like it's a pretty sturdy unit. Inside the package, you've got your couple of extra little mini screws there. Your USB to USB-C power cord, and on the other side looks like we have the plug. I think this is the this is the plug for the power cord, so you can charge your unit. So yeah, that's what comes in the box here. Now we're gonna unbox. There's a second box that comes with it, rather. So we're gonna open this one and see what's in here. I think this is the container for the unit that you can stick on any metal object. It's supposed to be really, really strong, which is what I was looking for. Okay. Yeah, and this is the padding for it here. Okay, and the unit looks really, really sturdy. I'll tell you, here's your two magnets here. We're going to see how those stick in a little bit here. And yeah, it looks like there's some nice padding on the inside of there for your unit. And it looks like it's really watertight. I don't think any water can get in there. But guys, I'm going to come back and do another review for you and let you know what I think of the this unit here, the Spark Nano 7 Micro GPS tracker. Anyway, guys, that's your review today. You guys make it a great day.